Different part of this creek over here, and right now I'm just trying to catch some sunnies or something because my lure wasn't working. I'm trying to make this a little bit fun, so yeah, let's go. I know there's big bass and pickerel in here, and my reel's all messed up. Oh, first cast. Oh, it was the smallest bass ever. Immediately. Yeah.
Did you get one?
Yeah, first cast immediately. Oh, it's right there. It was like a little baby bass. Yeah. These worms in different part of the woods here. And they're so much different than the ones you buy. Like, these ones, they move so much more quick. And they're the same size, but... Oh. Yeah, well, I'm gonna go stand on this thing. Oh, this is so slippery. Alright. I mean, worst comes to thing, we can go fish that other pond.
No, I feel like there's something back there.
There is.
That's why I want to kind of stay. It's going to take a while.
Alright. First little bluegill. Just a tiny little guy right here. Alright, here's another one. Alright, so unfortunately I got this guy in the eye right here, but other than that I think he should be good. Just, yeah. That's why I want to use big hooks, because so you don't gut them, but you know, that was decent. Oh, here we got another one. I feel like there's only bluegill in here. Like, I know we've been catching bass, so there has to be some type of bass over here. But bluegill fishing is not the most fun thing in the world. There's zero fight and zero surprise. But it's better than nothing, I guess. I'm gonna try to catch another bluegill, and then I'll switch up to trying to catch just bass. Because I want to do something a little bit different. See, because there's some creek chubs in here too. But that's in the more shallow part. And we probably already have another one, so.
Your hook stabbed me in the finger.
My hook just came off. Well, I said I would go for bass after that, but didn't think it was gonna happen like that. Yeah, this is super slippery, plus my shoes are all slippery. Oh, into the tree we go. Alright, so now we're back to bass fishing.
Yeah, there's something moving there though.
What do you mean?
Because I got whatever that's on my line.
What, right here?
When I was using my tank, other hook.
Hopefully I don't get snagged over here. Because the guy that works over in that construction site said there was some big bass in here, which there are in the creek where I was. This is the same creek. Oh, I had something.
Yeah,
But I don't know what that is. I don't think it's a bass. Yeah. You have to put it on there like secure. You have to put it on there good. What is that noise? Dude, oh, there's a fox. Look at the fox.
Need to go on her. What happened?
They're cutting down trees over there.
Is this close to us?
Huh?
Is it close to us?
You see the fox?
Fox.
Yeah, you didn't see the fox run across?
Well, it's not on our side, so we're good.
Yeah, I know, but it didn't care about us. It was running and then it just ran over there.
I got him in the eye.
Just take it out.
What if I want to use it for that?
I don't know.
I'll try.
No, not on the log.
I did the same thing. That's why I snagged and couldn't get it out.
Did it break me off?
Was there a fish on there?
No. I say we go to the pond.
Why?
I don't know.
Well, that might have been a bass over there, though. Because it was a big splash.
That wasn't a... Alright, well, now he has 3. So now he's definitely killing me. And, yeah, so we're switching up to a wacky rigged... Oh, jeez. This day is just not my day. Put shit in.
No, they're fine. If they didn't like it, they would be crying.
But they don't cry.
What if
Fish scream.
you hear, ah! Oh, you got a good spot.
What was that?
What the hell was that?
He just tried to bite my...
Line?
Oh. Oh.
Big ass bone.
Oh, mother.
Told you they're here.
Right there on the wacky rig. Dude, his nose is so weird. Look, put up a good fight though. See, I don't know where I'm putting this guy at. Down.
Give him to me, I'll
Here, wait. Alright. We'll put him in the deeper part so he... Alright, well, he's gone. Alright, well, we gotta go this hill and we're gonna go somewhere else in this same creek. So I got the biggest one of the day so far.
What'd you say?
So I got the biggest one of the day. And,
I didn't see that hole. You didn't warn me about that.
oh my god, this guy just fell down a bunch of rocks. Alright, well, how are we gonna do this?
I wish you warned me about the hole there.
Well, you would have known. We're walking on big rocks.
Well, I thought the hole wasn't going to be that big. I thought they were maybe connected.
Huh.
Come on.
I'm trying to see if there's anything under this thing. Might be something living under there.
Yo.
You gonna hop down right after me?
Check and see.
We're good.
That actually hurt.
There's a chair over here.
There's a chair.
Yeah.
There's a fish there. I don't think it's going to be enough. Oh my god. Yeah, this is going to be shit.
Yeah. Why do you say that, Chris? Because you fell?
Yes. It's not worth the fall.
What if you catch a 5-pounder?
Not worth it.
I feel like there's stuff in my hair now. Huh.
You moving it?
No.
It's probably a bluegill. Because it's not taking it.
Alright. Dude, when you step on this stuff, I said if you step on this stuff, it just like, oh, oh,
What was it?
oh, oh. And of course we're snagged.
We snagged?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Doesn't look terrible. It smells terrible.
Try nothing here. I don't know what I thought your rod snapped.
What is up with trees wanting just to kill my stuff? We might have to go in and get Chris's fish. Oh, is mine stuck too? No. Oh.
Not a good time, Starkey. Come on. Yeah, continue casting. And
I'm coming, Chris.
no, not Chris. Look, he's stuck.
Oh shit, dude. How would I get back out? Like,
I'll help you out. Just pull up your pants and go in.
it doesn't work that way. That thing's deep.
It's not deep. Step on that log right there.
And then here comes a snapping turtle and a piece of glass and a heroin needle.
There's no. Why? He's stuck. He's dying.
Alright, wait. Here. If I don't get anything on this cast, then I have to go in and get it. Oh, shit. Wait, let me get on this log just in case. Here. Let me get on this log. Oh.
Yeah. What'd you snag?
Yep.
Alright.
He's not even big. Oh, no, I didn't. Snag. Look, I got an idea, Chris.
I tried to get the stick and reach it.
That's a small fish.
I'll take it.
What?
Yeah, good one. Here, help
Knock
me.
him out first.
Help me with the.
Oh my gosh.
Here, I got an idea.
Oh, his fish is just sitting there stuck. Dude, but if I go in there. What's it stuck about? Oh my gosh.
Shit. So we do this.
Oh, Chris, you're getting me all muddy.
Oh,
Dude.
Move it. Move.
What do you mean?
Move.
Chris, this is a terrible idea.
No.
That stick's too big to do anything. You're gonna hit someone in the face.
No. I'm gonna hit you in the face. It's not some. I mean, it worked. It got bad. Oh man. Bad idea. Great. Now it's stuck on this.
Oh
too.
my gosh. Oh, the fish got off.
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't. Just cut the line.
I can't.
Why not?
Cause that's my only. He's gonna be stuck there either way.
No, if you cut the line,
He's
you.
wrapped around the thing.
Oh, he is.
Yes. All right, you go in. I'll go in and get this.
What you have to get? We're both going in.
Yeah.
Wait,
Alright.
After this cast.
At least we'll be clean. It's his stupid fault he got stuck around the stick in the first place.
Why am I going to get? I'll get your rod.
No, my rod's over here stuck in the mud.
All right, we're about to leave right now because it's raining and we're not getting any bites anymore. And plus, we're completely muddy. Like, my shoes are soaked. Look at him. It's completely soaked. So, yeah. So, this is gonna be a little outro, and yeah, and then we're still doing the giveaway thing as long as we hit 300 subscribers. But yeah, so why are you going that way?
Oh, is it easy?
Oh, I guess.
Yo, I made it.
All right, so see you next video.